In the heart of South America, the world breathes differently. Here, the air is warm, the light is soft, and the forest rises like a living ocean. For thousands of years, the Amazon has been shaping itself, not with rush, but with rhythm. The rhythm of water, of wind, of leaves opening toward the sun. Every morning, the forest begins again. Mist rises from the canopy, sunlight breaks through the branches, and millions of lives awaken in silence. Everything here grows toward the light. Trees that stand like pillars, rivers that move like veins, roots that hold stories older than memory. Nothing in the Amazon hurries, and yet everything moves. Every leaf, every drop, every grain of soil shifts a little more each day. In this forest, time is not a line. It's a cycle, an endless turning of growth and decay, of shadow and sun, of calm and rain. And maybe that's the lesson the Amazon offers us today. That strength is not loud and growth is not sudden. It's slow, quiet, steady. Just like this forest, we grow when we give ourselves time, when we breathe, when we let light in. The Amazon doesn't rush, and somehow it becomes one of the most powerful places on Earth.